All right, welcome back everybody. I hope you'll be able to find the theory of an event planner informative. And we're getting into this. And even as an outside sales executive, I run event planners every single meeting. This just gives me an opportunity to do research on my audience, what their history is all about, maybe some trouble areas that I'm able to provide them a solution with. And then of course, as you can see, I am the producer of a show called The LinkedIn Wishlist. I hosted and produced that show, and every single time I did my wish list, I ran this event planner, and this just gave me an opportunity to keep my show structured, because when you have a half hour and you have a 1 hour and you have clients and audiences that are going to sacrifice and take that time to join you, it's important to be able to stay organized and ensure you're just not bantering and going off on nothing. You want your audience to leave with something valuable, some information. So you can see right here with my LinkedIn wish list, constantly going over notes. And then even after meetings, I'm using the episode notes section in your virtual event show notes to be able to actually write down, hey, maybe where were some trouble areas in the meeting? Where did some things go wrong? What were some things that were right about the meeting? And if I'm in a position where I'm proposing a solution to a client, of course, you're gonna wanna write down questions you maybe weren't able to answer, or maybe some important questions that you weren't even able to go over, but you wanna bring back for them, and having all of those notes. So it's extremely important to have this ready, available for you to write down. And I want you, when you're in a meeting and you're writing notes down, you need to let your audience and your client know, hey, I may be looking down, but I just want you to know I have my show notes here. I have my notepad. I'm just taking down some notes just so I don't forget it. I assure you that I'm still listening to you. This is extremely important when you're talking about virtual professionalism, because when you're in a virtual world and you're watching someone, and if they're looking down, it might come across as if, hey, you're on your phone, or you're not paying attention, you're not being attentive, which can come across as almost being arrogant. Not arrogant, but just showing respect. So letting your clients and your audience know, hey, I know it may not look like I'm paying attention, but I'm just writing down some notes so I don't forget it, is gonna put you in a position where you're gonna get that respect, you're gonna get that opportunity where the client's gonna understand that you are paying attention to them, and you don't have to worry about that. So of course, extremely important to go over your show notes, your event list, every single time, every single meeting, keep doing it. And of course, you can print this off. If you do want me to print some of these off and send them to your house as a hard copy, just feel free to reach out to me. I'll be happy to do that for you. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We can go another thing, another check. We can check it off with pride. We got that, confirm your meeting plan, done. The event plan is completed, it's checked off. Let's go back upstairs. We're gonna talk about the importance of internet connection, what to look for when you're actually going into internet connections, and then we'll come down here and of course we'll put it into the implementation. So stick around, we'll be right back. Go have some fun up in GB3 Studios, and I'll be waiting for you when you come back down.